Okay, good Tavach, everybody. What a Matzah Shabbos, what a marathon. As we now learn the Mishna Yomis in Temura, going Mechayel al Chayel, and we are sponsored by Yisrael Fisher, Lila Nishnas Basi Bas Rabbi Shlomo ben Avraham Alevi Perel Bas Ruvain. We're also sponsored Lili Nishmas Dav ben Chaim Lefu Shalem Fel Yomis Mechai Sar Yaakov ben Bas Yaleah for the schus of Avram ben Yom ben Shbemal Yudis and family by Yoel Klugman and family. We learn the Lefu Shalem for Moshe Meir ben Estefado Vigdoraya ben Rivka the Bas Chai Sar Yitzim ben Tzim Medusha Rivka Bas Shiraleah Chana Bas Shashabina the Lefu Shalem for Aaron ben Sarah Nachman Yaakov ben Sarah Yochai ben Ruchama the Lefu Shalem for Shendel Tzipora Shena Bas Sarah, Refu Shalema for Rachalea Bas Rivka, Refu Shalema for Zeb ben Chaya Etel, Meir ben Chaya Sarah. They should have a Refu Shalema B'Seich Sharcha Yisrael. Now, Ha'aymer V'lada Shelzu Ayla, if Yisrael says the offspring of this animal is an Ayla, V'hi Shlamim, and the animal itself is a Shlamim, so then that happens. The offspring is an Ayla, the offspring is an Ayla, and the mother is a Shlamim. However, if he does it in the reverse, he Shlamim, uvla de Ayla, but if he says she should be a Shlamim, once he says she should be a Shlamim, since Urba Yerach Imai, the fetus is also a Shlamim. And therefore, the Vla de Ayla is too late. So Harizu Vlad Shlamim, then that's a Vlad Shlamim. Divrei Rameir. That's the opinion of Rameir. Rabbi Yaisi says, since Rabbi Yaisi holds Af B'Gemar Dvar of Adam Nitfas, we ask Yisrael, if when he said he Shlamim Uvlada Ayla, he meant it to be that way, Amar Rabbi Yaisi Im Lekach Nischavim Mitchila, Hayil V'i Efshel Likroi Shem Kach, as he can't say them both at the same time, Dvar of Kayamim. And we say that the mother is a Shlamim, and the child is an Ayla. The imish Amar Harizu Shlamim, but if he says Harizu Shlamim and then he says I changed my mind, Nimlach v'Amar Vlad Ayla, then that's too late already. Once he said the mother is a Shlamim, the child is a Shlamim, Harizu Vlad Shlamim, that's a Vlad Shlamim. And now in the next Mishnah we have the famous case of whether we say Tfais Lashon Rishon or Af B'Gemar Devar of Adam Nitfas. Here, Yisrael takes an animal, and he has in front of him an Ayla and a Shlamim. And he says about the animal, Harizu Tmuras Ayla Utmura Shlamim. It should be an exchange for an Ayla and an exchange for a Shlamim. So Rameir says, Tfais Lashon Rishon. And therefore it's an exchange of an Ayla. Harizu Tmuras Ayla Divrei Rameir. Yaisi says, no, Af B'Gemar Dvar of Adam Nitfas. And we ask Yisrael, if he meant that it should be both, Im L'chein Niskaven Metchila, that it should be also a Tmuras Ayla and a Tmuras Shlamim, Hayil V'i Efshel Likroi Shnei Shemes Kach, you can't say them both at the same time, Dvar of Kayamim. It becomes a Tmuras Ayla and a Tmuras Shlamim. We have to let it pasture until it gets a mem. We sell it and we bring half of it an Ayla and half of it a Shlamim. However, but if Yisrael says, if he said, I said Temuras Ayla, and then I changed my mind, you can't change your mind, then even Rabbi Yaisi agrees, Harizu Temuras Ayla, it's an exchange of an Ayla. Okay, Rabbi Yaisi, what a job tonight. Triple crown tonight. What a schus. Barish, I'm really thinking about you. You should feel better.
Thank you, Rabbi.
I'm sure that the cold weather even makes it worse.
Yeah, it could.
Yeah.
Comes and goes. Some days are worse than others.
I'm also still struggling now. It's very delicate what I'm struggling with, and I have to wait for it to stopping inflamed.
I know from information.
Yeah.
It's the same thing.
And I also want to say that we are looking for a sponsor for this week's share on Mishpatim. We don't have one sponsor yet. 718-916-3100. rmmwsi@aol.com. Thank you very much for joining us, and have a wonderful Vach.